This is a final video to fix phone link Clipboard not working on Windows 11. Are you tired of copying text on your phone and it not showing up on your PC? This usually happens because the Clipboard connection between your devices breaks or the app settings block syncing. Many solutions on YouTube or social media ask you to reinstall apps, dig through hidden settings, or use complicated commands, which can take hours. But I found a secret, simple trick that fixes it instantly. With just a few clicks, your Clipboard will sync perfectly again. If you want me to show a full step-by-step guide, comment below, and I will make it easy for you. Don't forget, this trick is brought to you by Rexist. Try it, and your Clipboard will work like magic.